Dust. It's sneaky, relentless, and can turn a sparkling home into a sneeze-inducing nightmare. For seniors, maintaining a dust-free environment isn't just about aesthetics. It's about health, comfort, and quality of life. Whether it's a dusty shelf or an air vent that hasn't been cleaned in years, reducing dust in your home can feel overwhelming. But don't worry. With the right hacks and tools, you can turn your home into a haven of cleanliness and tranquility. Let's dive into some practical, tried-and-true tips shared by people who've been in the trenches of dust-proofing. Number 1. Seal your windows and doors like a pro. One of the primary culprits for bringing dust into your home is gaps around windows and doors. One senior gentleman shared how he noticed significantly less dust after installing weather stripping around his doors and windows. These small gaps might seem insignificant, but they're gateways for dirt, pollen, and other airborne particles. To seal gaps, you can use weather strips or install door sweeps at the bottom of the doors. For windows that don't close tightly, consider magnetic or adhesive seals. Think of this as investing in a more peaceful environment. Not only will you reduce dust, but you'll also keep out drafts, which can be a blessing during colder months. 2. Invest in quality air purifiers. Many people swear by air purifiers with HEPA, high-efficiency particulate air filters. One woman recounted how her elderly mother's allergy symptoms significantly improved after they placed purifiers in key rooms. HEPA filters capture microscopic particles like pollen, dust mites, and pet dander. Choose purifiers designed for your room size, and be sure to replace filters regularly to maintain efficiency. Additionally, place purifiers in bedrooms and living areas where you spend the most time. Some purifiers are quieter than others, so if you're sensitive to noise, read reviews or test models before buying. 3. Ditch carpets for easier-to-clean flooring. Carpets are notorious for trapping dust and allergens. One senior gentleman shared how switching to hardwood flooring made his cleaning routine so much simpler and his home significantly less dusty. Hard floors, such as wood, laminate, or tile, don't trap dust like carpets do. But if replacing the carpet isn't feasible, consider using low-pile rugs that are easier to clean. One senior woman mentioned how swapping carpets for laminate made it easier for her arthritic hands to maneuver a mop rather than a heavy vacuum. 4. Use microfiber cloths for dusting. Forget feather dusters. Microfiber is the gold standard. A woman in a cleaning-focused forum said, "Once I switched to microfiber cloths, I stopped chasing dust around. It sticks to the cloth instead of floating back into the air. Microfiber attracts and holds dust instead of just pushing it around. You can use a damp microfiber cloth for surfaces like shelves, counters, and baseboards. Wash and reuse microfiber cloths to save money. Consider adding a bit of vinegar to your water for extra cleaning power. It cuts through grime while leaving surfaces dust-free. 5. Create a no-shoes policy. One simple but effective hack is to leave shoes at the door. A senior couple shared how they noticed a significant reduction in dust and dirt after asking guests to wear indoor slippers. Shoes track in dirt, pollen, and dust from the outside world. Consider placing a shoe rack by the door and offering comfortable indoor slippers for guests. Additionally, use mats both outside and inside entryways to catch dirt. Think of this as giving your floors a well-deserved break. After all, they've been walked all over for years. 6. Wash bedding weekly. Dust mites love bedding. One senior woman swore by washing her sheets and pillowcases every week in hot water. Hot water kills dust mites, and regular washing removes skin cells that they feed on. Consider using hypoallergenic covers for pillows and mattresses, and set a reminder to wash bedding every 7 days. Don't forget throw blankets and decorative pillows. Picture climbing into a bed that feels as fresh and clean as a luxury hotel. It's the little things that make a big difference. 7. Declutter like a minimalist. The less clutter you have, the fewer surfaces there are for dust to settle on. One senior gentleman noted how decluttering not only made his home easier to clean, but also gave him a sense of mental clarity. Dust loves undisturbed surfaces like knickknacks, piles of magazines, and unused furniture. Consider going room by room and deciding what to keep, donate, or toss. Use storage bins with lids for items you want to keep but don't use often, and rotate decorative items instead of displaying everything at once. Each item you let go of is one less thing to dust. Imagine the joy of breathing easier and seeing clearer surfaces. 8. Tackle air vents and ducts. A surprising amount of dust hides in your HVAC system. One man in a YouTube video commented that having air ducts professionally cleaned every couple of years is recommended. Clean vents circulate cleaner air and prevent dust buildup. Clean vent covers regularly with a vacuum and consider vent filters to catch debris. Additionally, schedule professional duct cleaning as needed. It's like giving your home's lungs a deep clean, allowing you to breathe freely. 9. Keep plants that purify the air. Indoor plants like peace lilies and snake plants not only add beauty, but also filter airborne toxins. One gentleman shared how keeping a few hardy plants in his living room reduced airborne dust noticeably. Plants act as natural air purifiers, absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen. Choose low-maintenance plants and consider wiping plant leaves regularly to prevent dust buildup. Additionally, avoid overwatering to prevent mold. Think of your plants as little green guardians working tirelessly to keep your air fresh. 10. Vacuum curtains and upholstery regularly. Dust loves to settle on fabric surfaces. One senior uses a handheld vacuum weekly to clean curtains and upholstered furniture. Removing dust from fabrics prevents it from being re-released into the air. Use vacuum attachments designed for fabric, and consider washing or dry cleaning curtains periodically. Additionally, rotate cushions and pillows to prevent dust buildup. If vacuuming feels tedious, try scheduling it while listening to your favorite podcast or audiobook. 11. Opt for minimalist light fixtures. Fancy chandeliers and intricate light fixtures may look stunning, but they are magnets for dust. One woman shared how swapping out ornate fixtures for simpler designs cut her cleaning time in half. Simple designs are easier to wipe down and don't trap dust as easily. Consider choosing fixtures with smooth surfaces and use microfiber dusters for hard-to-reach areas. Additionally, clean light fixtures monthly to prevent buildup. One senior mentioned how replacing an elaborate chandelier with a sleek modern pendant light made their space feel contemporary and easier to maintain. 12. Install an entryway air curtain. This high-tech solution might seem unconventional, but it works wonders. A commenter on a tech-savvy forum explained how an air curtain at their home's entrance kept outside dust at bay. An air curtain creates a barrier of high-speed air that prevents outdoor particles from entering. You can install an air curtain above your main door and use it during peak dusty seasons or when the door is frequently opened. Imagine feeling like you're walking into a clean, high-tech space every time you enter your home. 13. Store clothes in zippered bags. Clothes in open wardrobes or on hangers collect dust quickly. A blogger shared how storing seasonal clothes in zippered bags not only reduced dust, but also kept fabrics fresh. Enclosed storage prevents dust from settling on fabrics. Use clear zippered bags for visibility and label bags for easy identification. You can include silica gel packets to prevent moisture. Enjoy the double benefit of a dust-free wardrobe and a tidier closet. 14. Clean under large furniture. Out of sight? Out of mind? Not for dust. One woman shared how she found dust colonies under her bed and sofa after years of neglect. Dust accumulates in hidden spots and can affect overall air quality. Use a long-handled duster or vacuum attachment. Additionally, invest in furniture with raised legs for easier access and make under-furniture cleaning a monthly habit. Treat this task as a mini treasure hunt. Who knows what long-lost items you might find? 15. Switch to washable throw pillows and covers. Throw pillows and cushion covers are often overlooked dust magnets. A senior homemaker on a lifestyle blog noted that washable covers made it easier to maintain a fresh and dust-free living room. Washing removes accumulated dust and allergens trapped in fabric fibers. You can buy pillows with removable machine-washable covers. Consider washing covers every few weeks and fluffing and vacuuming the pillow inserts regularly. Picture the joy of cuddling into freshly cleaned cushions. It's a small luxury that feels fantastic. 16. Install closet door seals. Closets can harbor dust that seeps into your living spaces. One woman shared how she added seals to her closet doors, significantly reducing dust in her bedroom. Seals prevent dust from circulating between your closet and living areas. You can use adhesive foam strips to seal the edges of closet doors. Closet door seals ensure doors close tightly without gaps. Be sure to vacuum the closet floor regularly to maintain cleanliness. You'll find your clothes stay fresher for longer, making this a dual-purpose hack. 17. Upgrade to enclosed storage furniture. Open shelves are aesthetically pleasing but prone to gathering dust. One senior woman explained how switching to cabinets with doors helped her manage dust in her home library. Enclosed storage reduces the amount of exposed surface area where dust can settle. Consider replacing open shelving with cabinets that have doors and use clear labeled containers for easy access inside cabinets. Additionally, remember to regularly wipe down cabinet exteriors. Enclosed storage gives your space a cleaner, more organized appearance. 18. Use anti-static sprays. Static electricity can attract dust to electronics and glass surfaces. One tech-savvy man mentioned that anti-static sprays helped keep his computer and TV screens cleaner for longer. Anti-static sprays reduce the electrostatic charge that attracts dust. Lightly mist anti-static spray on a microfiber cloth and wipe down screens, mirrors, and other static-prone surfaces. Repeat every few weeks to maintain effectiveness. You can pair this with regular cleaning to prolong the lifespan of your electronics. 19. Adopt a weekly cleaning schedule. Consistency is key to keeping dust at bay. A retired teacher shared her simple weekly schedule, which included specific tasks like dusting, vacuuming, and mopping. Regular maintenance prevents dust from building up and becoming overwhelming. Assign specific tasks to each day of the week and keep cleaning supplies easily accessible to encourage consistency. You could involve family members or caregivers if you need help. Remember, a little effort each day goes a long way in creating a clean and serene living environment. Dust-proofing your home might feel like a never-ending battle, but with these hacks, you'll gain the upper hand. Remember, every step you take isn't just about cleaning. It's about creating a sanctuary where you can relax, breathe easily, and feel proud of your space. Whether you're a senior or just someone looking to simplify life, these tips offer a practical path to a dust-free, serene home. Try a few and see how they transform your daily life. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Hit the subscribe button for more tips on living your best life in your wise advice. Take care, and thank you for watching.